Hello traders. Today is 26th of November, Thursday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Wall Street analysis and the result. Today we had a bank holiday in the US. We haven't seen any volatility in the market, but still we managed to bank few pips, especially on the cable pairs and the Euro USD. All right, so um, let me share my one of my members today. Let's see results. So he made it 1116 dollar. As you can see, we haven't seen any volatility, so still he managed some good profit. This is the live account. So all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. You can see the pound dollar sell trades and the euro yen sell trades. So let's back to the analysis, and I'll show you some of the good analysis. He banked this profit. Okay, so just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left-hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on the analysis. So in the morning, we can see that we had this consolidation. That was a pretty straightforward breakout on pound dollar short trade, but the rest of the day we had such a beautiful trades. Let's move on. So this one again, we had this breakout, we bank some profit, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback short trade after the breakout. As you can see, another beautiful short trade on pound dollar. Pound yen, we had again beautiful breakout because we were watching in 4 hour. Based on the 4 hour, the price was at the major resistance level. Let me share with you guys. You can see here the price was at this level and nicely price respected, and afterwards we taken that short trade in our intraday system. You can see here that was the breakout as soon as the price developed, which we explained to our trader in a head and shoulder pattern, and that was the beautiful breakout and beautiful short trade on pound yen. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout. We can see again we were watching in 4 hour. Let me share with you guys 4 hour chart, so just you to understand. This is what exactly we were looking at this time when the price respected, and we take a short trade on the breakout in intraday system, which we define here. You can see this was the breakout trade, and afterwards pulled back short trade, and the first target was the 200 EMA. As you can see, he also banked such a good profit on euro yen short trades. Beautiful breakout short trade on euro yen, euro USD. Pretty straightforward. Again, we were watching in 4 hour. Everything, whatever we watch, we check in the high major support and resistance. You can see the price was at this level in 4 hour, and then we define intraday at this stage. You can see here beautiful when we explain the price failed to maintain this level, but the safest trade would be the breakout. As you can see, if enough the price break and retest this level, and we announce the short trade, and the first target was the 200 EMA. Beautiful short trade on euro USD, pound Swiss franc. Beautiful, as again we explained to traders in 4 hour. Pound Swiss franc develop a head and shoulder pattern. I'm remembering. You can see here, we can see the head and shoulder pattern. So a beautiful breakout, this one, and beautiful pips. As you can see, the price nicely hit the support area. Beautiful short trade, and afterwards another pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. This one, New York session analysis, we already have banked some profit. After that, we announced if the price going to come back and respect this blue fib channel, which we explained here. You can see price came back and retest this level as mentioned on the analysis and through live documentary, and the price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade on pound Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Dollar Swiss franc, based on the momentum, pretty straightforward breakout when the price developed a double top at the resistance level, and beautiful wedge breakout, and price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade on dollar Swiss franc. All right, guys, that's it. Only few trades, but we managed to bank some good profit today. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside the trade updates through live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide Forex coaching and training. Even if you are struggling in, this is the platform where you can see all that analysis in real time. You can develop your trading skill in real time trading environment. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to bank all that profit every single day alongside with our professional traders. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. And guys, I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.